months, I think or so, since we decided to let things go. Been hard on my heart, cause I second guess every decision. I guess I regret not giving it more time to see if it was all just in my mind. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was meant to be you all along. Maybe I was so afraid of being strong that I held on to my weakness for too long. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was wrong. I scrolled down the Insta page, saw a picture that I didn't want to see. He had his hand around your waist and a smile on your face, like the way you look at me. Cause only 8 months ago he was holding your hand, slow dancing and kissing the top of your head. And I don't know how to compete with that, cause you were friends since you were kids and it still feels like you just only met. Yeah, I was so naive, thinking that you've only felt this way for me. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, cause they all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me, I got no real reason to worry.
내일이 올 거라는데 난 핸드폰을 놓지 못해. 잠은 올 생각이 없대. yeah. 다시 인스타그램 하네. 잘난 사람 많고 많지. 누군 어딜 놀러 갔다지. 좋아해 너는 알았어. 나만 이런 것 같았어. 저기 인스타그램 속에 문제야 문제. 온 세상 속에 똑같은 사랑 노래가 와닿지 못해. 나의 맘속에 생각이 너무 많네. 복잡해. 틈만 나면 바뀌는 게 관둘래 이놈의 정보화 시대. yeah. 단단히 잘못돼서 요즘은 아는 게 더 괴로운 것 같은데. 가면 갈수록 너무 어려워. 나만 이런 건지. 클럽 먹은 뭐 영국 먹은 뭐 나도 겨. There's such a lot of world to see.